What I thought was the end was just a turning point. Tahimik ang paligid. Pero ang utak ko, hindi nagpapahinga. I keep asking myself, is this still worth it? Ginawa ko naman lahat, di ba? Nag-effort, naghintay, naniwala. Pero bakit parang ang layo ko pa rin? Bakit parang ang tagal bago ko maramdaman na I'm finally moving forward? Minsan gusto ko na lang sabihin, maybe this isn't for me. Pero kahit gaano ako ka-disappointed, hindi ko magawang talikuran lahat. Kasi somewhere deep inside, may boses na bulong ng bulong. Keep going. Kahit pa unti-unti. So I stayed. I stayed even when I felt invisible. I stayed even when no one clapped for me. I stayed even when I doubted everything I believed in. And little by little, those quiet days became part of my strength. Those painful nights, they built me, even if I didn't notice it at first. I thought I needed a big win to feel alive. But what I really needed was to see myself not giving up. Ngayon, hindi pa perfect ang lahat. But finally, I see pieces falling into place. Ang katibayan, ang paglago, ang tahimik na pagmamahal na hindi kailangang ipagsigawan. At kung ikaw man to ngayon, pagod, lutang, confused, kung may patutunguhan pa ba yung mga pangarap mo, let me be the reminder you needed today. You're not behind. You're not lost. You're becoming. And sometimes, what feels like a dead end is just life pushing you towards something deeper, something real.